delete whole 3D array if contains any nan. I have a set of images represented by a 3D-ndarray. Abstractly, what I want to do is delete an entire image if any of its pixel values is a nan. Imagine we got the following ndarray. Now what I want to get is a function that, given that ndarray, returns true, true, false. In order to finally use np.delete, I have tried the following, which works. However, I find it hard to believe that there isn't a function in numpy that is more efficient, and since I have a lot of images, I would like to optimize it as much as possible.
As already answered by Michael Skesny, more Pythonic way would be. If that piece of code is hard to understand, then consider extracting each image with a for loop as follows. Both approaches should give you similar output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.